Hello guys, welcome back on the Technology Welfare. I'm highly quiz to tell you in this tutorial how do we especially turn off Find My device of any iPhones without doing a jailbreaks. We will see those tricks in this video tutorials. This device has been locked to honor, so because of this is a Find My phone is on, and due to that especially iCloud activation is enabled on this device, and because of that especially it's locked to honor. So how do you turn off without doing a jailbreaks? If you turn off, automatically everything will be gone out, and as a new one device you can use right now. But in a case sometimes also it happens due to blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode. So in each situation this strategy will works. This is the latest one device, and if I show you, this is locked to honor. Once again I repeat here, as we see guys, let me take it out. If I back and let's see, it's now see we are unable to execute anything. So just we will skip a whole thing, and of course we will generate a new Apple ID and password with the help of iTunes and some other tools. So after accessing our iTunes, some data from this device, it's saying so that locked to honor or your device, this device lost, erased Apple ID, into the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. So we don't know, don't worry. We will have one option here to generate new Apple ID and password with confirm password according to your own way, and of course we will be a general of this device just within half an hour guys. It can be possible, yes it is. We will go for an administration, that is a 3U tool. In 3U tool just we will go for here, check it out that your device has been connected or not. So just to go for in a crash analysis, and we'll go the inside of there. Now there is nothing. Now see guys here, if here is a something, then you will have to select this one, delete will be highlighted, you will have to delete it. So this has been deleted. So now we will come the smart flash option. You have a double backs, and we will go for refresh. So automatically some IPSW that has this will be recommended to download. So just I have downloaded latest one, that is a beta version 18.3 beta. This is the most latest one that I had downloaded. Total size of this one is approximately more than 8 GB, so it will take time. So before execution, the whole procedure, you will have to firstly download it, and of course we will select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retained user data, otherwise any redundant residual or retained data would be retained, and due to that you won't be able to turn off this device, because when we will skip the one crucial step that will not be functional because of these things, and because of that Apple database server especially will not permit to you to especially use this device as a user and owner of this device. So here we have selected these ones. Now we'll come once again on toolbox. In toolbox, of course, now we have another iDevice management tools, that is especially managing PC, and it has been connected. Of course we will cut it as a trial version, remind me later, and we will select this one. Now we have one option, that is show device console. Now here this is just here what we will do, just we will clear after each 5 minutes or after each 1 to 2 minutes guys, when it will be fully accumulated whatever the data, and this will interrupt you in the midst of many time. You will have to ignore, and thereupon of course you have to clear. So now see guys, here I'm clearing. Yes, I am clearing. Now as we see here, just clear. If I go for here, now as we see, this is a lock to honor. Once again we will back while clearings. We will deselect this one, we will go for cancels, and thereupon of course we will keep it here, and thereupon now once again I will clear. So at least 20 times you will have to clear, guys, otherwise of course. And this is not an easy task, but of course if you do step by step on accurate times, then of course this is very easy and to handle by free, of course, without any chargeable. These all tools are totally free. So my execution of it, so you can turn off the Find My device and the phone. If you are able to turn off the Find My device, then there is no any locks bigger than it, especially any Apple device. So it means you are going to the bracket iCloud activation lock, lock to owners, network area, along with of course screen passcode, time screen passcode, of course any kind of locks, face ID, touch ID, any kind of the security that can be the broken if you are able to turn on the Find My device. So just I am doing by clearing it. So almost we have a clear. Now see it's once again we will clear. On the other hand, of course, we will come the REC mode. This option has been given on a trio tool. Just we will clear. So almost it has been clear. So now white screen is coming, so we can close this. And the one, of course, we will come on the amazing PC. We can close it and let's wait for highlighted that iTunes. There should be some notifications. So of course, it has given that it has been based on the recovery. So just we will close it and the phone we have go flash, select this one, downloaded areas, hit this one without. Yes, if you would like to fix the battery doing that, of course you can have, and the phone go for help. So now for 10 minutes all kind of the works that we have rendered done. Now we will have to wait for further. Let's wait, guys, here and the phone we will see. Now 6% we have done. If there any error, this will come on a 20%, guys, so don't worry. If it come on a 20%, that error, that's also we will fix. If any error will comes, it will happen due to especially because of especially when iTunes is not latest one updated, or you haven't held especially any iTunes with the latest versions. So because of that it will happen. Now we are on a 7%, we will wait. Let's see, it's taking a time. Firstly it will be exited from the especially recovery, and then so everything is in front of you right now, guys. It's a totally live, and the live will be recorded, and the post after recording it will be uploaded directly on this channel. So furthermore, any kind of query, questions, so have a query comment box. So pleasure will be managed to reply of the query, guys. Now see it has been exited from especially the recovery. Now we will have to wait till the 30%. Mostly error will reflect or detect so before especially 30%. So we will wait here. Now see 2-3 times it's notifying. So now it has started to install, and Apple logo came on a screen of a especially device. Now see on this device, and we are on a 20%. On 20% it's giving an error, guys. See, this is giving an errors, latest one especially. See, I don't know, on especially this it's giving an error. So in that condition, what we will do, guys, here simple options we have. Don't worry, your device has been detected on here. Nothing worry, just we will come on here too. Of course we will come the firmware that I have downloaded. Of course we will come the here and the phone. Just we will select these ones, and here just we will cut it from here, and the phone, of course we will paste this on desktop. So this firmware will be actually coming on especially that is especially on desktop and the phone. It can directly on desktops. Now easy solution I'm telling you, because now if you connect any iTunes will not detect. See, iTunes will not be detected anything hard. So just I would like to show you iTunes where it is. Now see, iTunes is no any iDevice management tools especially will be detected. So simple easy procedure. Firstly we will up volume, down volume and on. Hold, keep holding till it's not going in DFU or recovery mode. So just to keep holding guys. So now see, it's gone. Magic will happen and this iTunes will detect something. Now if iTunes is old one, that will save. Now see here on this device has been detected some specials things. Now we will close and report here on a restore or update option, anyone you can select. So just we will hold the computer key, shift keep holding and click on here, and this is on desktop. This one we will select. It's the things that cannot be updated. You will need to restore its factory update, and iTunes will be updated on this iOS 13.3 something. Just we will go for updates. Don't worry. Now see, it's extracting a software, and upon we will see if here is also having error. Then what we will do guys here, then we will change this iTunes due to bug or due to some reasons. Of course maybe it's having an error. Then we can go for another beta version of IPSW. Maybe iOS has been damaged, maybe especially iTunes. First and foremost, as my experience especially, I'm telling you, you will have to uninstall iTunes and you will have to download latest updated from its official website, especially on Apple's, to download this iTunes and install in your PC or desktop or laptops. Then go for it. Now extracting the software, and thereupon we will see if there is also here is also error by virtue of it, then we will fix by another way, or of course we can go with another IPSW or iOS. Don't worry, it will work. But reminded this key that is up, quickly down volume, keep holding on off button and lift both buttons guys. Firstly up button, lift, then down volume, lift, then of course keep holding this, that is the yes on off buttons. Keep holding till it's not exit from the especially Apple logo to especially coming on this desktop mode guys, or recovery mode. Almost we have extracted the file, and further we will see. So these kind of error are the most common guys, and sometimes also it happens due to data cable guys. Sometimes also it happens due to especially 3U tool is not having good configuration because of weak internet connection in your area. So now see, preparing for software update. Let's wait what's the error is coming here guys. Now see, this phone has been exited, but still yes, after rebooting there was error on a 20% here. The percentage will not be counted on this especially items, but however we will see, of course everything will be functional similar way. Now as we see, it has restarted. There should be installation of this new latest firmware. So now see here, of course it's not going on, so it means most probably, of course, maybe error will come here. Still, because of it's preparing for software updates. Let's see what's happening here. Verifying subditions. Now it has started to accelerate here, and the white screen a little bit engaging with this here. So now see, firmware is updating. Most of the crucial step, these are coming here. Will be here should be error if any. Now see, directly it has been restored half points magics. Now this configuration is working guys. by virtue of this especially I'm in iTunes now. So most probably 100% I am telling you, if iTunes has taken especially these configurations, then definitely this phone will be unlocked, so guys. Now see here, half, more than 50% is we have a complete works. Now we have a two, only 1 hour, three crucial steps that we have to execute on a accurate time, and of course we will not touch on this device, guys. There should be no SIM card inside, there should be no any internet connections, not to speak of the Wi-Fi. Now there should be no any hotspots, don't worry. However, I will show you without touching on this device. Of course this will be a completely unlocked, and of course we will generate a new Apple ID. If you want manually, this can be also possible, but more comfortable manually to directly we can transfer by virtue of iTunes in this ID without doing anything. So directly we will transfer the one Apple ID and password on this device by virtue of with the help of iTunes again. And as we know that this will be a more accuracy and reliable transfer of the new Apple ID and password, especially on this device, by virtue of if we generate or we will transfer by virtue of iTunes. iTunes that has been developed by iDevice management, or that has been developed by especially Apple itself. So we have used requirements three. One is especially imaging PC, second is especially 3U tool, and the third one is your iTunes. Now this firmware can be downloaded by virtue of itself with 3U tool by going on the website www.3u.com. This can be downloaded from itself on an Apple website www.apple.com firmware, and the phone. If you don't go anyway, then you have to write IPSW.beta. So on itself a website you will have to select the model number, and of course you can download the beta versions. So now here as we see, we are on more than 50%, almost 70% we have completed. Let's see. And how can I confirm this is a functioning? Of course this is a functioning, guys. Here you can watch it, it's accelerating. Suppose if the cursor I have taken here, and now see it's working, it's moving forwarded, and this is also moving forwarded. So just we will have to wait here. Now see guys, here it's forwarding. This procedure should be completed 100%, so we will wait here. I was stuck on a space lens on especially 3U. Sometimes the 3U tool also giving that error, guys, due to server configurations. Not so always, but sometimes. So now here, updating this firmware or software. New, the latest one is the coming, so everything has been announced. Yes, then the new versions. Latest one, of course, we can buy this one also. We can check it out. What are the feature? Are they coming on the latest IPSW beta version on 18.3, guys? Don't worry on this. Multiple devices in a day, especially if the same kind of issues are coming. Either it is screen locked, touch ID, face ID, of course, network carrier lock, SIM card carrier locks, or if the SIM card is invalid when we insert, or time screen, mobile device management locks, or blacklisted, stoner mode, lost mode. In such way safely we can handle it. How? Suppose this device is in the stolen mode, how can I unlock it? So of course easily you will have to generate virtual private networks. IP address would be a chance of your online system, and you can back it. That's configured, that's changing, so especially internet connections, especially you have to connect it with the Wi-Fi, check it out the whole things, and the phone, of course we will create your own Apple database server, and the phone you can operate and you can handle it. So let's see. Almost it has been completed, guys. See, a little bit more than 1 minute can be expected, less than 2 minutes, then so it would be restarted. And if iTunes will give error also, then of course we have another, there is some chargeable tool that you can apply on this, and you can handle of it very easily. There should be no chances to especially the error. So firstly, most probably 99% is your works will be especially completed by this 2-3 method that in front of you live error that I fix and we are restored here. Now let's see what will happen here. And this is live recording. Almost 20 minutes especially we spent here. Don't worry. This is not the easy task, but of course can be easy by in practice. Now see, it has been restarted, so of course no problem at all. Do it okay, and we can close this ones, and of course now we come on 3 utils. Now we'll have to wait highlighted files. Now see, bigger screens, of course we will wait for all the feature of these tools. Batch activation, now it has been highlighted. Hit this one quickly, we will select the skip setup and this one, and he will hit on this one. So now see, we will wait and watch carefully. This is very crucial step that we will have to execute, guys. Now here is workings. Once again, it's installing or correcting of the all this firmware, and there also while the correction is going on there, so there especially of course we are activating and skipping on this by virtue of Apple database server. So now see how it will works. The first time 3 tools given an errors. Now second time, let's see, this has been corrected, good configuration by virtue of iTunes. Now iTunes has been closed. Now I'm activating and skipping the whole set of that. If it will work, then finally it will be. If here is giving error, we have also solutions by changing the IP address, or of course by using the virtual private network, or by using or changing of the internet connection of this Wi-Fi. We are not going to connect here anything. So now see, this device has notified their auto play something Apple device, and there still it has been the start. Now see guys, succeeded. Now this one and this one both has been succeeded. So now what we will do, just we will go for virtual locations to restore everything. Why it's very important? Because now see, this phone will be rebooted. So this phone is rebooting. See, all the things has been gone out, and once again this phone is rebooting. So true location of this is basically will be now, and there was options to the modify option this ones, but don't go for modification of number if you are sure that this phone is basically from Hong Kong or United Kingdom or from United States. Then of course you will have to select. If you don't know, automatically this virtual location would be detected there, and that will fetch the proper service to the configuration of proper. Now see, this one we have done. Now we will have one option that in deactivation process, we will select this one, we will hit this one, we will have to wait 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds what will happen, we will see it. Yes, 3 2 2 2 2, of course one highlighted. Now we have done it. This one also we have completed, guys. Now what we will do here, once again we will go with the batch activation, where it is this one's. Of course, now we will hit this ones, and the phone we will hitting this one, we will open iTunes, guys. Now here we will write iTunes and we will go for an session. Now see, we are not doing anything, and as we see here, we are on here, and let's wait. What's the after assessing iTunes is just saying that welcome to new ones. What you see guys here, there is no any link. Yes, so it means there is no links. Can I go in account setting to sign in? Yes, we have option create new Apple ID. Let it access in the proper way. Now we can go for select the language and upon see on Namaste something is coming. So of course we will go for here. Now see, we have one options that's create new Apple ID, create one desired password, verification of this password, confirm this password, select the country, region and the phone, go for continue. That this Apple ID will be transferred directly on it. So here just we will have to select the country. So let me have a selection of the country and the phone we will go for. So let's see. Now we will go for here, we will go for setup customization later, and then of course we will go for setup myself, and now see, everything is gone. So the finally it has been locked, guys, and there is nothing inside of it. Now see, if I go here, there is no any ID. If I would like to assign in the manually, then of course here we need a ID, and now see, everything has gone out. See, there is nothing, any ID. That has been completely wiped out. What you say, guys? So this is all about in this video tutorials. Further when inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box, and plus would remains to the reply of the query. If the SIM card is not functioning in that condition, what we have to do, of course, we have one option, and that is the special on 3U tool. We will cut it from here. We will come in reboot option, hit this one and insert the SIM card now, and SIM card will be a good configured by virtue of restarting. Before restarting, you will have to now, yes, carrier network, everything will be wiped out, gone out, and the SIM card will be fully functional now. So see, now this phone has been restarted, and we can take it out also. We can confirm so that after rebooting also it's not going to trap on a what? Apply your password. Let's see. See, there is nothing, guys. Now there is no any idea, and fully functional, it's working, guys. Now see, if I go in the Face ID, there is no all that has been turned off, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorials. If you found that this is informative and acknowledgeable, then don't forget like, subscribe, and share of this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me to have these kind of the informative videos. Yes, keep uploading on this channel, otherwise of course we don't. So this is all about, guys, and any kind of the query, blindly have the query below the comment box, plus would remains to the reply query. So thank you very much indeed, guys. Have a great time. Bye bye.